Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make Google Sheets. So I'm just going to open the Google Chrome and select the grid icon in the top right corner. So just swipe up and you can find the Sheets option. Just click and select displaying portal new spreadsheet. So just going to put your data here. And I think the main difference from Excel, you can share the file to everyone, and everyone can be see and edit the file. So that's how to make Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.